Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase the brick rod on Fish. So it has to be summer, so make sure you go to the wiki Fish for that. Then you are going to go to Roslet Bay. You're just going to follow my steps here to get to the first brick, and you're just going to press on the brick until it looks like sparkly and has a sound like that. The second brick location is in the ancient Isles. You're just going to find a lot of flowers and you're going to press the brick on the top right there. And then the third one is in the depths. I just walked from the merchant like down here. You can see when you look up there's like these shiny mushrooms, and then it's like near the in the inner cracks you'll see brick, and you're just going to click on it. Then you're going to stay at the desolate pocket. Just go to the guy and stay there for 35 cents, dollars, I don't know. Then you are going to go to the desolate brine pool and you'll see your code down there and memorize it. Next, it is the same thing. It will be different for every player. Go to the Mushgrove Swamp and go to the tallest bendy tree. You'll see another code word. Mine is knowledge, and you're going to have to memorize it or write it down if you want to. Make your way to Harvester's Spike. You are going to change it to nighttime, and then you're also going to change the weather to foggy using your totems. And then you are going to want to hold out a puffer fish. So if you don't have that, you do need to catch it first, or maybe your friend can give you one. Alright, then once you have healthy puffer fish, you also need to change the title according to the time. I will put all the times right now and the titles. Then you're going to write this mantra down. I will again put the template. Then you're just going to press E and you'll be teleported and you'll be able to get the brick rod. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!